the VA Renovation Loan. Let's say you're a veteran shopping for a home, but it needs a new roof, plumbing, maybe a new HVAC system, kitchen, bathroom, or essentially anything that would require a functional repair. That house that you're looking at is listed below market value because of the current condition that it's in, or it's just the ugliest house on the street. That home can now meet the basic VA requirements with a few cosmetic upgrades. A couple things to take into consideration. This is not the same thing as a VA construction loan, where you're designing a new build completely from scratch. This is meant for an already existing structure. Now with this loan, you fund both the property and the essential upgrades concurrently in one seamless package. And it's your same qualifications as your standard VA loan. If you already own the property, you can roll those renovations into a refi as well. And I know that although many of you are handy with tools, DIY projects are a no-go in this scenario. All construction needs to be completed by a VA-approved contractor because no lender is going to fund your pool that's not considered essential, right? Super important. After the loan is funded, all construction needs to be complete within 70 days. That's why it's super important to get those accurate bids early on in the process because you're going to have two appraisals, one for the current condition of the home and the second after completion. Now, if you're currently looking at a home that needs a little bit of love, I would be honored to be a resource at the very least. God bless you.